I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself, yeah, you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, could make you around me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby. Baby, listen. Baby, I'm missing you. Wishing I was thinking what it was. I've been out, baby. I'm still not lying for this. I'm still not finding us. I've been out, baby. Baby, they wanna have you. You say that you're gonna make it feel just like this. What I gonna do to make it feel just like this? Baby, they want it if I hate you. You say that you're gonna make it feel just like this. What I gonna do to make it feel just like this? Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you mishandle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not your wildin' with me. Now I'm not your silent treatment. That mean no permission. Missionary getting boring, can't switch positions. Hard to say you're soon, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been out, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you. Wishing it was different than what it was. Oh, no. I've been out, baby. Lost in the love.
You better stop playing with me. Better stop playing with me. It's Vito, baby.
Broccoli, baby.
Yeah. Bitter. Mad at you, mad I'm your nigga. Mad he ain't touching 6 figures. And now when he call, you don't even pick up. Yeah. Fuck nigga, get out of your feelings. You had her first, but I'm realer. Now I'm sticking dick all up in her. Who you think you playing with? I'm not the one, don't let this singing shit fool you. I'm not just any old dude. So nigga, if you with it, me too. You had your chance, nigga move. Don't get gassed up by your crew. So bitter, she got a real nigga with her. Oh no, I gave her some she wasn't feeling. What you gave her, now she need healing. It's true. I told her don't trip when you see him, don't give him no energy. I told her don't trip, give it back to him. Ay, don't need him thinking you still attached to him. Whoa. That nigga a goofy, he a cartoon, and I'm here to stay like a tattoo. Yeah. He thought he had you stuck when you let that nigga fuck, so he keep on popping up. Said she never even came, nigga, you can pack it up, cause I gotta bust it. I'ma show you how to get a million. Probably thought he changed how you live, but you know this dick came with the fame and the riches, yeah. Bitter, mad at you, mad I'm your nigga.
It's me trying to vlog and this vlog was supposed to be like you know, a birthday vlog and all this other stuff because it's my birthday weekend. I'm in Cancun on a solo trip, but my luggage was left in Dallas when I transferred planes. It didn't transfer with me, so I'm using everything that I had in my bag and stuff from the hotel. Yesterday I went to Forever 21 to get a dress. I wore this on the plane yesterday, and I had a bathing suit because when I got here I was going to just throw my bathing suit on and get in the pool and then unpack my bag tomorrow. But yeah, so it's about 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to just go get some breakfast. I already cried. Like every year on my birthday I just cry. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but this is what I am wearing. Flip this viewfinder now. And yeah, I just can't believe that my luggage is lost, but we gotta work with what you got. You gotta work with what you got, and that's just what it is. Good morning. I don't know where I left off at. I think I lost my bag, but they returned my bag. Where is it? They returned my bag. And yesterday was my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And now I'm literally just tidying up the room before housekeeping come, because I'm that girl. Like, no matter where I'm at, I want my space to look clean and orderly. But yesterday was my birthday. My bag came. It was really hectic. So now I'm just cleaning up a little bit. So I'm gonna sit you guys down somewhere and we can just clean together. A clean with me hotel version.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
I just did like teeth whitening thing because why not? I feel like my teeth look whiter already. Sun is coming out. It's about almost 8 o'clock here in Cancun, so I think I'm gonna just throw on something to go eat real fast. Put something on to go eat. Maybe just like a little skin stress or something. Yeah. Oh, why am I getting undressed on camera? Be back.
Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus.
You ready, DJ Coolin'? King of bounce in here. Yeah. I see these ladies in here talking. Bitter. Get started. Hustle what you doing. Hustle moving what you doing. Hustle what you hustle. Hustle what you hustle. Do it with your hustle. Walk it with your hustle. Shake it with your hustle. What you hustle. What you hustle. Yeah. Let's go. Where all my toxic ladies at? So bitter. DJ Cool on the ones and twos. Let's go. Let's go. You got the hustle, baby. Hustle. Hustle moving, baby. Hustle.